We're gonna start this fun project with large brush. Our first step is to create a blue line in the middle of the artwork. Now you can paint in everything above this blue line. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in darker shade of blue. We'll paint a horizon line and then we'll paint everything below that line. We'll start painting Dragonfly using medium-sized brush and light green paint. We'll paint a light green circle in the upper part of our artwork. Now we're gonna add a straight line using same brush and same paint. We'll switch to a darkest green paint to create outline of an oval and then paint it in. We're gonna add another smaller leaf on the right side. You're gonna repeat the same steps by outlining your oval and then painting it in. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in darkest blue and then create a shadow under each leaf. We'll use smallest brush, dark blue paint and a little bit of water to paint half circles and lines around leaves. Now we can switch to a medium-sized brush and white paint. We're gonna paint 2 wings on one side and 2 wings on the other side. Next, we'll paint 2 large circles on top of Dragonfly's face. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in bright pink and make a dot in the middle of large leaf. From here, we're gonna paint 2 sides of the flower. Now you can start painting petals. Next, we'll repeat the same steps to create a smaller flower. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in lightest pink and create highlights on each petal. We'll switch to the smallest brush and bright pink paint to create a smile on Dragonfly's face. We'll switch to darkest green paint to create lines on its body. You can dip your brush in black paint and create a small black circle in each eye. We'll use dark green paint to create two antennas. Then we'll add two circles on top. After washing and wiping your brush, you can use a little bit of white paint to add a dot on each eye. Our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.